Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, Wake Up and Live. This is Bobby Montego, and today I want to go over with you just an easy way to peel the sugar cane. All right, in one of my previous videos, I showed you my sugar canes, my little sugar cane patch. I have much bigger ones, but I chose this one because of the lighting today. All right, so yesterday I actually cut one of my sugar canes, one of my bigger ones. This little patch created a huge one because I have a nice little compost going. If you can see, you'll notice I throw like the garbage from certain fruits. It does create a lot of flies sometimes, but it does return some vital nutrients like nitrogen to the soil and makes the um, the plants I grow very big, very rich. All right, but yesterday I cut down a sugar cane. If you can see this, this is a stub from the sugar cane. I've cut down many old ones that weren't doing so well, but this is a fresh one, and you can see from the root how thick it is, that it's a very big sugar cane. All right, I have two pieces. I cut it up with my machete or machete, and I kept it inside. But today I'm gonna just peel it just to demonstrate what we how we peel a sugar cane. For those of you who don't know, all right, sugar cane, as most people know, is a very important plant in that it produces a product we call sugar. All right, and sugar we know is essential for everything. All right, so to begin, I've cut a leaf of the cocoa yam, or what we call cocoa, because it's broad and it's easy to use. Right, it has a lot of space. So the cocoa leaf, as you can see, I cut it here. It's fresh, so I'm just gonna lay it down to kind of make a little more sanitary. And then the sugar cane. These are two pieces of the sugar cane that you can see how thick it is. It's very big. So I'm just gonna demonstrate how we simply cut the sugar cane and enjoy it. How we peel it and enjoy it. Okay. Firstly, when we cut the sugar cane, we usually cut it at the joint. All right. And okay, for those of us wanting to try, please be careful not to cut yourself when you pulling down on this hand. Don't cut this hand. All right, but it requires some knife skills that has to be learned over a period of time. Right, if you notice, I'm not doing it like this, or I'm not doing it like this. I am doing it this way, holding the knife in these fingers. Takes a little practice and getting used to. Right, and then my thumb I use as a brace. So watch this. See this? My thumb is bracing to gauge me. All right, and then I sink it so I don't slip down and cut my other hand. And it's as easy as doing this. I remove the skin, which is very thick, can't be eaten. All right, come again. All right, and there, and there, and there, and there. Then I just kind of shape up the little extra and shape it up. Okay, so this is one of the joints or the nodes. So I simply remove it. Then I can start cutting up into bits and pieces to enjoy. I like it thin, so I do it this way. I put it down in there, in there, in there, in there. Some people cut it up in thicker ways, like this way, where it's much thicker. And then you remove the joints at the bottom, and there. So that's it. It's ready to chew and eat. So sugarcane actually is a giant grass. It's one of the giant grasses. A bigger grass than this would be the bamboo tree, right? But the bamboo tree is not as hydrated, not as juicy as the sugarcane. So the sugarcane is used to make juice, while the bamboo they use in some countries to make food, like the Chinese, right? And products like furniture and thing. But the sugarcane we use to make sugar essentially, which is where the name comes from. And we use the trash, what's left back when they remove the juice. They use that to make a kind of board that most people don't realize is on most of their furniture. All right, so there you go, peeling the sugarcane. Now this is ready to for you to enjoy. We're not going to peel the rest of it because I just need just this much. It's not, it's early in the morning still. It's about 7-8 o'clock. So I want to chew some sugarcane. It helps to clean the teeth and freshen your breath, you know, in addition to brushing your teeth. It's good for